Today I will be showing you how to make a vegan roasted tomato pasta. And it's just cookie dough. So what ingredients you need is some pasta. We got macaroni, tomatoes, sauce, preferably tomato basil, chickpeas, a red bell pepper, and the onion is optional because we like onions, so we add onion. You're gonna bring your pasta to a boil for about 8 to 11 minutes or until soft. You can add a pinch of salt if you'd like while boiling, just so it has a nice consistency. You will drain the water from the pasta after. Next step is to add sauce to the pan, and then you will dice your onions and throw them in. Next step, we're gonna add the chickpeas. You can dice your tomatoes and red bell pepper at this point, and that'll be the last thing you add in this manja. For the purpose of this pot being kind of small, we're going to use half of a pepper. And then we add the last ingredient, let it stir, and alright. Final step of making this roasted pasta is just putting it in the pasta or macaroni or whatever you're making. Stir it up and enjoy. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Like, comment, and subscribe if you'd like. There will be more in the future. Peace. What cooking? What is cooking? Alright, those two.